How can I make my smartphone battery last longer? Hi, my name is Luis and I manage the Innovation Lab here at Back Market. And my role is to ensure that the refurbished devices sold on our platform have 100% of their functionality and performance. Something I get asked a lot is how can I extend the life of my smartphone's battery? Well, good news. I have 4 simple tricks that can help you get the most out of your battery life on your smartphone. The first tip is called the 20-80 rule. Leaving your phone plugged in or letting it die rapidly reduces the lifespan of your battery. Instead, try to keep your charge level between 20% and 80%. The next tip is a simple setting. Go to your battery settings and ensure that the feature Optimized Battery Charging is enabled. This option reduces battery aging by stopping your charge at 80% and resuming based on your charging habits. Tip number 3, avoid extreme temperatures. Keep your phone out of sunlight for long periods of time and limit use in hot places. Extreme cold is also dangerous. If your phone gets too hot or too cold, your display may stop working properly, or your flash may be disabled. You may also receive a temperature warning. Tip number 4, charge in small bursts. It's better to charge in 10, 15, or 30-minute chunks multiple times throughout the day than to charge all in one go. And avoid using fast charging too often. Those 4 tips should help make your smartphone's battery last longer. To sum it up, avoid putting too much stress on your battery and you'll be good. I'm Luis, thanks for watching. Come back soon for more device tips, tech news, and reasons to shop on Back Market.